at the request of Maryland State Police McHenry Barrick, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for 9-month-old Brady Eliza Sellers, a white female further described as being 2 feet 0 inches and 27 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. The child may only be wearing a diaper. The child was last observed at approximately 10:15 hours in the area of Grantsville, Garrett County, Maryland. The child is believed to be in the company of Keith Randall Kyle, a 35-year-old white male, further described as being 5 feet 10 inches and 200 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. A possible suspect vehicle is a 2010 Mazda 3, 4-door, blue in color, with orange rims and orange wipers, bearing Maryland tag 9 Edward Delta 0360. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Maryland State Police McHenry Barrick at 301-387-1101. Do not take action which can endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.